Hey, what's up? Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you the quick and easy way how to play I Write Sins Not Tragedies by Panic at the Disco. You're going to be in drop D tuning, so if you don't have your guitar in drop D tuning already, you can go ahead and click my suggested video here and go tune up to that, and then hop on back to this video to learn how to play it. Alright, so for verse 1, you're just going to play 3 different chords. You're going to play 7, so all of these are going to be bar chords since we're in drop D, or the 7th fret, which is an A, and then open, which is D, and then 3, which is F. So it goes, oh, well imagine, as I'm pacing the pews in a church corridor, and I can't help but to hear, no I can't help but to hear an exchanging of words. What a beautiful wedding, what a beautiful wedding, says the bridesmaid to, what a shame the poor groom's bride is a So that's the first verse. So yeah, it's just 7, open, 3. Alright, and then for the chorus, you're going to start on 7 again. I chimed in with and then you're going to go to 3. Haven't you people ever heard of closing the... So those are the chords you're going to need for the chorus. I chimed in with haven't you people ever heard of closing the No, it's much better to fix these kinds of things with a sense of poison rationality. I chimed in, haven't you people ever heard of No, it's much better to fix these kinds of things with a sense of... And then you go into verse 2, you start on 7 again. Oh, well in fact, I mean, look at it this way. I mean, technically, our marriage is safe. Well, this calls for a toast for, so pour the champagne. Oh, so it's just the same as the second verse. Look at it this way. I mean, technically, our marriage is open. Well, let's call for, and then 3, pour the champagne, and then it goes into the chorus. 7, I chimed in. 3, haven't you people ever opened up? 5. And then 7, no, it's much better to fix these kinds of things with a sense of poison rationality. I chimed in, haven't you people ever heard of? Much better to fix these kinds of things with a sense of... And the bridge, again, it's just 7 to 3. And it goes back into the chorus. I chimed in with the haven't you people ever heard of 3, 3, 3, open 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 3, 3, 3, open 5, 5, 5, 5, 7, 3, 3, 3, open 5, 5, 5, 5. And that's it. Now I'll play it to the actual song. If you're playing this with the band, just have that as like a backing track. No need to play this live. All right, I'll start on 7. right, if this helped out, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. We'll see you in the next one.